Hey guys, what's up? Guys, this is just a quick little one. Boy, I tell you, every time me say me I go give Junker Town a break, me have to come back and say something. Because it's like them obsessed. It's like Headman Junker obsessed with me and he cannot take me name out time out. And so my foot soldiers were over there. I don't know if last night or today or whenever. But this Liad bastard was on his live. One live were stream 4 hours ago. And entitled the live, Boo is back. Never should have given Alicia Kim that green card. But the candles. Same one where they did a try to put on last night and God mash up, so then come back with it today. And in the end of the video now, this Liad bastard I try to convince them, say hey, he is all that and more over YouTube and he's making thousands of dollars and rate it. And this Liad bastard put up this and say that was my channel, this channel where we depend now in a talk up the things channel, and that was what I made last month from the channel. Me don't know where I get it from, but I hit him pull up and I show them.
You know if you laugh with them something, you know. Me not laugh, you know. But where is it? Where the people? Let me just find it and show you. Know. I went to take a picture of it today. The purple bullfrog. This is what the purple bullfrog YouTube account look like. You don't think I lie me I tell? Ask her how much money she make last month. $17. $17. You want me show you how much money me make last month? Bullfrog? Now I'm going to show you. You can't come and make me teach you how to make money off of YouTube. Because if you make $17 off of YouTube, my first YouTube paycheck on Vybz Entertainment, no, Vybz Studio Podcast, my first paycheck was $3,000 US. My first paycheck on Vybz or JFI, whatever they call it. It was $3,000 US. And that was my first one. Purple Bullfrog. If you take a look good at this is your first paycheck. This is your first paycheck by your channel. And all of that work where you put in and only make $17. What the fuck you teach a student them?
Let me tell you, say, in lie like a sure, because I don't know where I get it from. So guys, me I go pull up, talk up the things, record and show you. Guys, I started this channel in November. The first part of November. And this channel got monetized on the 21st of December. And so, you know, YouTube pay you the 21st of every month. And if you, whatever you earn for 1 month, it is paid the other month. So, the channel got monetized the 21st of December. So, I would get money for 21st, 22nd, right up to the 31st of December. So that's about 10 days. And this is what I made for those 10 days. And this is my first month with this channel. This is my first paycheck from this channel. This is what I got. So I don't know where that lying bastard get that from. Liad, me don't know where I get that from. Because when I went over to my other channel, the one that I had introduced to, no, A Glimpse of Jamaica, which I say I'm going to revive, that I have not been posting on. When I pull up my stuff on that, because I have not posted on that channel for about 2 or 3 months. For last month, it make 57 or something dollar. It make $57. So me no know where get for him $17 from. And that channel, I have not been posting on it. So if I hit him at about foolishness, because I posted on it, I don't know if it's two or whatever, whenever was the hurricane, that was when I posted on it. And before that, I had not posted on it for about 6 months. Basically, that channel has been neglected for about a year now. For the past year, I must have posted either 2 or 3 videos in 2025. And when I check it last month, I got $85 from YouTube for it. $85 I got for it. So I don't know what him talk about. So no know say everything when you sit down over there tell the people them a lie him a tell or liad. But anyway, I will not spend any much time with him over here because me over there I put together new content for put on this here channel so that for the month of February me no have to talk nothing about them and me no have to go over in channel. So guys, this was just a quick one for clear up something and for show up the whole liar that making some sissy a lie ma tell all viper. But anyway guys, I'm out again because me I put together material for classes tomorrow and Tuesday, and me I create some new videos for talk up the things so that we not have to look on them and making know so we can create videos and make money and we not have to call their name. So guys, once again, I am out.